Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to our online learning community. I hope you all had a good day so far. My name is Dini Dwi Ali Rahma, and I'm excited to continue learning with you all tonight. Since we are meeting through Zoom, please make sure your microphones and cameras are working properly so we can all hear and see each other clearly. So, can I hear your voice?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, miss.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, thank you. Last time we focused on personal introduction and you all did an excellent job learning how to introduce yourself in English. Tonight, we are going to build on that knowledge and explore three important English tenses that will help us to talk about activities. It is present simple, past simple, and let's start with present simple. We use this tense to talk about habits, routines, and facts. For example, I read books every night, or she works from home. Now let's think about our evening routines. Naila, what time do you usually have dinner?
I usually have dinner at 7 p.m.
Excellent. You just use the present simple tense perfectly. I have dinner is in present simple because it is something you do regularly. Let's expand on this. Salsa, what does Naila do every evening?
Has dinner at 7 p.m. every evening.
Great job. Did you notice the change in the verb? When we talk about he, she, or it, we add s to the verb in present simple. Now, Holisa, do you have dinner early or late?
I don't have dinner early. I usually eat around 8 p.m.
Perfect use of negative form. I don't have dinner early shows how we use don't or doesn't for negative in present simple. Let's practice together by sharing our evening routines. I'll share my screen with some sentence starters. So there is I always, I usually, I sometimes, and I never. Take a moment to type two sentences using these starters about your evening routines in the chat. Then we will read them aloud. Okay, next. Now let's move to our second tense. It is simple past. We use this to talk about complete actions in the past. For example, I visited my grandmother yesterday. She studied English last week. The key of the simple past is the actions are finished. Can you think of something you did earlier today? Holisa, what did you do this afternoon?
I work on my assignment this afternoon.
Excellent. Work is the past form of work. Many verbs in English add with ed for the past form. They are called regular verbs. Salsa, what did you eat for lunch today?
I ate a sandwich and soup for lunch.
Great example. Ate is the past form of it. This is an irregular verb which means it doesn't follow the ed patterns. Let's work together to identify some common regular and irregular verbs. I'll share my screen and we will fill in two columns together. So there is walk. What is the past form for walk? Naila?
It's walk, Miss, with the ed at the end.
Thank you. The next is play. Holisa, can you answer it?
It's played play with ed on the back.
Great. Thank you, Holisa. Next, Salsa. The best form is listen. What the past form?
Listened plus ed.
Okay. Good job. Next is irregular. The best form is eat. What the past form for eat? Naila, can you answer it?
It become 8, Miss.
ATE?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. For C, what the past form for C? Salsa, can you answer it?
Saw.
Okay, great job. The last one is buy. What is the past form for buy, Olisa?
It's bow. BOUGHT.
Okay, thank you. Great job, everyone. Okay, because everyone can identify the past form for simple past, let's practice together. I will call on some of you to ask and answer questions about what you did yesterday. Remember to use the past simple tense. Naila, you can ask Holisa a question.
Lisa, what did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, I watched a documentary last night.
Great. And remember, in question, we use did with the best form. So we say, did you watch a documentary? Not did you watch it? Okay, because you all have learned about present simple and past simple. Before we end the meeting, I want you all to make a sentences with present simple or past simple. So, who want to go first?
Me, Miss.
Okay, Naila.
So I want to make a sentence with present simple. It is I study English every week.
Excellent. Thank you. Next.
I miss. I
Yes,
can make
Salsa.
sentence from past simple. I studied English yesterday.
Great job. Thank you. The last one is Holisa.
I usually eat chicken at night.
Okay, thank you all. Okay, thank you for being such engaged and supportive community members tonight. Remember, we learn best when we learn together. It is getting late now, so rest well, and I am looking forward to our next online session. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Miss. Bye